In this video, I'll show you how to add a chatbot to a Leadpages landing page to make it more interactive and user-friendly. First, choose a chatbot platform that fits your needs. Popular options include no-code tools that let you build and customize a chatbot without any technical skills. Inside your chosen chatbot platform, design the bot by setting its purpose, such as answering FAQs, capturing leads, or guiding visitors through your funnel. Customize its appearance so it matches your brand. Once your chatbot is ready, go to the platform's Share or Embed section and copy the embed code. This is usually provided as a script or iframe, and either option works fine. Next, log into Leadpages and open the landing page you want to edit. In the editor, click on Widgets from the left sidebar and look for the HTML widget. Drag the HTML widget onto your page wherever you want the chatbot to appear. If you don't see it right away, click Show More to find it. Click on the HTML widget you added, choose Edit, and paste the chatbot embed code into the HTML box. Double check that the code is pasted correctly, then save the changes. Finally, publish or update your landing page. That's it. Your chatbot is now live on your Leadpages landing page and ready to engage visitors, answer questions, and collect leads automatically.